Our next feature is talkover. Talkover allows you to pick an audio channel that when you enable this option will lower all the other audio except for the one that you have selected. So this is useful if you need to make an announcement, for example, and you want it to be heard over all of the other audio going on in the system. I have set this up on input 6. You can see that I've got this little microphone icon appearing at the bottom of the slider. This can be added by going to the gear and turning on this show talkover option. So now let me switch my audio around so you can hear what this sounds like. All right, so now I'm on a different microphone and I've got some music playing and you can hear the music's kind of drowning me out. Let me turn talkover on so you can hear the difference. So now I have enabled talkover and you can hear the music is lowered. And then when we're done, I just turn talkover off and everything will be returned back to the normal levels.